Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and this is a test recording. I'm going to share my screen now. And the purpose of this video is to show people how to use the Buddy Coin Crawler feature of iCoinPro. And I'll start with this example. I generally avoid those without a logo because these tend to be new coins. I'm not interested in the down coins right now or the USD pairs. I am very interested in this one here, Chainlink Link USDT. So I'm going to click on that and go to the Trading View chart and for Link, and this should show probably my 4-hour chart. It's usually the one that comes up. All right, so on this chart, I've got some markings regarding Fibonacci retracements, which is a more advanced strategy, so just ignore those for now. Actually, I can take those off. And let's go to the 5-minute chart, because that's what we're interested in. And it's just had a big drop, which suggests to me Bitcoin dropped. It dropped a little. Probably not enough to justify. Well, Bitcoin dropped about $150, so that might have something to do with why Link dropped so much. But this is exactly what we're looking for. We've got a 1, 2, it's like a 1-2 dip with a MACD cross. This is a trade I'm very interested in right now. I'm going to evaluate it, calculate its percentage. The pink line for me is the SMA line. This orange line here is the moving average for 20 days, 20-day moving average. And the green line is what I call the MA99, which is another iCoinPro strategy. That's a 99-day moving average. So the cautious play would be to buy this coin and set your exit probably here below the SMA line. A little more aggressive play would be to go up here to the MA99 line, which is over a 6% anticipated profit. And then if you're feeling really confident, you can go up here to this resistance. See right about here and see that it was at 19.0122, 5 hours ago. There you've got almost a 10% profit. If you're feeling really cocky, you might want to go up here to the top of the Bollinger Band, and you're looking at about a 14% profit. I'm going to play it safe, semi-safe, and go to the MA99 line for a 6.72% profit. I'm not going to show that actual ordering on my Binance account, as that would reveal a lot of personal information. So I'll end this video here, and I hope that was a good example of how we use the Buddy Coin Crawler on iCoinPro. Thanks.